President Vučić is 100% right. There is a huge euroscepticism in Serbia. And it really is due to the fact that, as Prime Minister Plenković said, we've been waiting for more than 20 years. All of us have been doing different kind of things. My friend, Prime Minister of North Macedonia, changing their names and still finding it difficult to even get a date to start negotiations. When you look at Serbia, you know that from the point when you start negotiations, which in our case was 2014, 10 years have passed. You're still in negotiations. So to get a date to start negotiating actually means nothing. It means a lot to people in the Western Balkans. It means a lot to people in North Macedonia. It means a lot to people in Albania. Doesn't mean anything for the people in the EU member states. But give them a date. And so people in Serbia see that. And they do feel that, as I said yesterday in the conversation during the dinner, that EU has this this view towards the Western Balkans that whatever you do, it's not good enough. And it's this kind of never-ending process with actually a lot of moving goalposts as well. So you don't really know what to do, and people get tired. I do think that not just Serbia, neither one of us has a better option or a plan B. We are European countries. We are in the middle of the European Union. So I've heard Eddie once said, also a fantastic sentence, it's not about enlargement. You are not enlarging, you are encompassing it. Because we are from all of the sides surrounded by the European Union. We are geographically part of Europe. We are economically, culturally, historically, in every way part of Europe. Most of our foreign direct investments are from EU. Most of the jobs created are by EU companies. Our exports are mostly into the EU or, secondly, within the region of the Western Balkans. We are part of the European family of nations, and I think it would be good for, obviously, us, but I think it would be essentially good for European Union to also do that final step and make that brave political decision to just encompass the Western Balkans into the European family of nations.